Hello everybody, my name is Sam. How are you doing today? When I think about Britain, I think about one thing: tea. Tea is Britain's most famous drink, but tea doesn't come from Britain. It doesn't come from here. Today, I'm going to tell you the history of tea and how tea arrived in Britain. After I'm going to teach you how to make a proper British cup of tea. Let's get started. Here in Britain, we love to drink tea. In fact, over 80% of people in Britain drink tea every day. Wow! Tea has been an important part of British culture for over 350 years. However, when telling the story of tea goes way further back. It goes much further back. Over 4,500 years to be exact. The first stories about tea don't come from Britain. They don't come from America, and they don't come from Europe. The first story about tea comes from China. Tea has been grown and enjoyed by people in China and in Asia for a really, really long time. Since 2700 BC. That's over 4,500 years ago. Tea was first brought to Britain and the rest of Europe by the Dutch. Dutch traders bought tea from the Chinese, and after they bought the tea, they sailed across the ocean. After they sailed across the ocean, they sold the tea to people in Europe. People in Europe were very excited to try this new exotic drink. The first time that tea was sold in Britain was in the 1650s. Tea did not become popular quickly. Tea did not become popular until King Charles II married Catherine of Braganza. When Catherine arrived in the UK to marry the king, she asked for a cup of tea, but she couldn't find any. When Catherine married the king, when Catherine married the king, she was given a gift from the king of Portugal. It was also her dad. The gift was a big crate of tea. After this moment, tea became really popular in Britain. Tea became really popular in Britain. However, only amongst the highest classes of society, the people with the most money. The demand for tea grew quickly. It grew quickly. But very few people had enough money. Not many people could afford to buy it. So smugglers began to illegally bring it into the country. They then sold it so normal people could afford to buy it. In 1783, William Pitt, the Prime Minister, cut the tax on tea. Before, the tax on tea was 119%. He cut the tax on tea to just 12.5%. Now, everybody in the country could afford to buy a cup of tea. Drinking tea became really popular in the UK. It became a big part of people's lives and a big part of the social culture in Britain. Over time, people began to change tea. They started to add milk to make the taste slightly nicer, slightly less bitter. And in 1908, the tea bag was invented and modern tea was created. In modern times, tea is still a big part of the culture here in Britain. People love to drink tea at any time in the day. People drink tea at any time in the day. And we often like to dunk biscuits in it. Tea is a big part of socializing in Britain. When you see one of your friends, you often say, "Would you like a cup of tea?" Now I'm going to show you how to make a proper cup of tea. So now I'm going to teach you how to make a proper English cup of tea. First, you're going to open the lid of your kettle. Then we're going to turn on the tap and fill the kettle with water. After we have filled the kettle with water, we're going to close the lid and put the kettle on the hob. After we've put the kettle on the hob, we're going to turn it on and wait for the kettle to boil. Once the kettle has boiled, you'll see steam coming out of it. Once the kettle has boiled, put your tea bag into a mug. Make sure to leave the string outside and fill up your mug with water. Don't fill the mug all the way to the top. Once you've filled the mug, wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. The longer you leave the tea bag in the mug, the stronger the tea is going to be. After a couple of minutes, however long you decide, get a spoon and take the tea bag out. Next, you're going to take some milk, and pour a little bit of milk into the tea. Make sure to stir the cup of tea afterwards. Never put the milk in first, okay? Lastly, add 2 spoonfuls of sugar and stir until all the sugar is gone. Stir until all the sugar is gone. Once you have finished stirring the cup of tea, you can take the spoon out and enjoy your lovely mug of tea. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope I helped you learn something new today. See you later.